this is going to be one of those reality posts. I managed to get the tyres on, but I failed to make them tubeless because without a tube in, I just couldn't get the bead to seat properly on the rim. So even with this charger kind of compressor pump, it just wasn't enough to get the bead to seat. So anyway, I've put tubes in for now, so it's all good. They're ready to roll on the road, but yeah, just not tubeless, so bit of a fail. What wasn't a fail was the tyre glider. Hashtag definitely not sponsored, but this little gadget was so easy to put the tyres on, and I think these tubeless tyres particularly tight, but yeah, this worked perfectly. Anyway, I'll drop a link to the tyre glider in the description below. The only thing that's been mentioned is potentially being a little bit under-geared for road riding, but time will tell. Anyway, thanks for watching and drop me a comment below.